Today I want to show you how to install this Mosslanda shelf from IKEA. It cost $10, which is very cheap, and we're going to add it in this wall. Now what you are going to need is a stud finder, a pencil, and of course a level. Now the first step is finding the studs and of course marking them on the wall. After that, we are just going to add one of the screws on one side of the shelf, and after that you have to use the level just to make sure that everything is right and perfect. The next step is just adding the second screw, and pretty much that's it. The shelf came with these two white dots and you had to add them to the screws so they don't show up. And pretty much that's it. This was super simple. I took maybe 10 minutes to do the entire thing. So now it's time to decorate and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye!